Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Robin here. Welcome to week number 15 of the REIT investing case study. So I like to do these REIT investing case study updates about one day a week. I like to post on here, guys. I let you guys know what different REITs I'm buying, what different real estate stocks I think are good buys at the current time. And in this week, I'm going to share with you guys the REIT pick that I'm going to be picking for this week. But before we get into that, I just want to kind of explain really quickly why I'm doing this REIT investing case study. So when most people think about making money from real estate, they think about buying a house or being a landlord or some kind of property management type thing. Now, doing that kind of thing involves a lot of work. You also need a lot of money to do it. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to start making money with real estate, but without having to invest a lot of money. So I chose REITs, and I'm building out this REIT investing portfolio just to do kind of a case study to show you guys that you don't need to have a lot of money to benefit and make money from real estate. So before we jump into the video and I show you guys what REIT I'm picking for this week, I just want to say if you guys are brand new to the channel, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more Canadian-based investing videos. Alright, let's jump into the REIT investing case study and let's see what kind of REITs that I'm buying for this week. Alright guys, so here's my REIT investing portfolio with Wealthsimple Trade here. We're inside my main account here. So far we have $1,302 Canadian in this portfolio as we just started it about two and a half months ago now. We're approaching our third month. And if we look at the portfolio from a 1 month perspective, we are down $35, which is negative 3%. And if we look at an all-time perspective, we are down $57, negative 5% all-time, which isn't too bad. And you can see even with a regular contributions and putting money into the account on a weekly basis, you can see that even regardless of the stock market kind of going down, our account is still growing, and we're still slowly, the REITs are starting to get some of their value back that they lost initially at the start of the year. So here's the portfolio here. I'm just going to go over here really quickly what we have already, and I'm going to give you guys my picks for this week. And I'm just going to say straight up that I'm not going to be adding any new stocks to this portfolio, but I will be buying one that I already have that I think is a tremendously good value. And the one I'm going to be buying right now is the H&R REIT. This is actually one of the most undervalued REITs, I think, in Canada. If you look at, like, I've talked about this REIT before in the past. I even thought about doing a dedicated video, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to have the time to do it, but we'll see. I might do one. But nonetheless, I still think this is one of the best REITs to buy. You can see here that it took a big crash, and it still hasn't recovered, but it's still just as valuable as any of the other REITs. So I think it's a tremendously good deal right now at $9 Canadian. That is pretty darn cheap. Like, that is so cheap. And their dividends have not taken a cut yet of this time. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. But as the market starts to recover, as we're starting to recover back up, I think this one will kind of over time recover too. But right now it's really cheap. I think it's a really good buy, and I'm going to be putting all my deposits towards H&R REIT for this week. Now it is Saturday right now, so what we're going to be doing is we have this $156 that I put into my account for this week. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to wait till Monday, and then once Monday rolls around, I'll take that money and I'll stick it inside the H&R REIT, and I'll just buy maximum shares that I can, because I don't think it's going to go up too much until then, but we'll keep an eye open. But nonetheless, I'm still going to be buying this REIT, I think, at the end of the day. And I'll just go over some of the other ones we have in the portfolio as well really quickly. So the other ones we have is RioCan, and we have CI First Asset Canadian REIT ETF. Then we have VRE, XRE, and ZRE, which are all ETFs. So I want to start buying some more REITs, but I still think that H&R REIT right now is such a good price. I'm just going to like go all the way down with it and buy all my shares into this REIT for this week, because I really do think it's one of the best REITs out there. And the other thing I want to cover really quickly here is let's check the dividends for this month. We are approaching the end of the month for the REIT investing case study, and I will go over the spreadsheet in just a second for you guys to see. I don't think we have any dividends yet. I'm just going to take a quick little peek and see. And it looks like we just got a couple. Looks like we got a couple in. No, we actually didn't get any for this as of the past couple days. It looks like we got some at the beginning of May. So this was like the end of April kind of thing, as they are delayed a little bit. So May 4th we got ZRE. We got REI in May 7th, and then VRE in May 8th. So we're going to have to wait till kind of maybe the beginning of June or something like that, or the end of May, before those dividends start rolling in. But I will jump to the spreadsheet just to show you guys what we have made off this portfolio so far, in case you guys are new to the channel. So I hope you guys can see this spreadsheet all crystal clear. This is the dividends that we've earned so far from the REIT investing case study. Our first month we made $1.29. Our second month we made $2.28. And then our third month we are currently sitting at $2.32, but we're still waiting on some of the dividends, actually most of the dividends to come in through for this month. And total, we are sitting at $5.89 in total earnings from this REIT investing case study. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to wrap it up here really quickly. Let me know what you guys think of my stock pick of about H&R REIT. Do you think it's a good buy? Do you think it's not a good buy? Let us know in the comments below. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this video. And before you head off, I just want to say that if you guys are interested in learning more about the REIT investing videos, be sure to check out the entire playlist. I'll put a link to the playlist in the top corner here. If you guys enjoyed this case study and you want to follow alongside with me, I'll also put a little button up here that you guys can click, and that'll allow you to subscribe to the channel so you guys can see when I publish new updates. Thanks for joining me today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care and have a good one.